Put your phone down for this video and be aware of your senses. By being aware of your senses, it can open up a whole new way of seeing things, how your body speaks to you and how to listen to it, how to care for it, how to better accommodate and love yourself. Like Toni Morrison said, you are your best thing. Acknowledging routines and habits I've made without realizing it, to be mindful of the little things, noticing what's going on throughout my day-to-day life, like watching the clouds in the sky move or how the trees sway back and forth. Taking wellness breaks in school when feeling overwhelmed and overstimulated, as well as taking mental health days from school to regroup and make myself feel better. Taking a trip to the nail salon for relaxing mani-pedi, going on a late night drive to clear my mind, taking a bath to better clear my mind and body for the rest of the night. Trying new things like taking a shower with citrus in the air for a calming effect, being in touch with my body by meditating and doing yoga or getting massages when necessary. Lighting a candle in my room with already burning incense nearby, disconnecting from my phone and reading a physical book, playing my calm and soothing playlist with music from my favorite artists. Taking space, taking time, finding a place to rewind, taking a moment to think through things, taking a break to find the true you. Taking a break to love yourself is honestly all that anybody needs. For more information on youth, sexual health, and well-being, please visit sf.gov/youth.